Alright folks, Flimley here. What we're going to do today is show you how to update to the new TFAR Beta plugin. First thing you want to do right off the bat, go to Help, hit the Check Update button. Make sure your TeamSpeak is updated to the correct version. Currently on 3.5.3, so make sure you're updated. Now, once that's done, pull up your little web bar, and I will drop this link down in the video description, but you need to subscribe to Task Force Radio Arrowhead Beta. That, pull up Arma 3. Go to your mod list. You want to look for our beta right here for me. Okay, cool. So it's in there. All right, next step. Before you do anything here, you want to go back to TeamSpeak. You want to look for your options under Tools. You want to go to your add-ons, okay? Under your add-ons, you're going to see this Task Force Arma 3 Radio. First thing you need to do is hit the Enable button. Now, what that actually does is disable it. It doesn't enable it, it disables it. So when this says disabled, it's disabled. Next, what you're going to do is going to hit this uninstall, and that's going to uninstall the old TeamSpeak plugin. Now, go back to where your mod list is. You want to go to your Task Force Radio Beta option here. You want to click this little button right here, and you want to open folder in Windows Explorer. And what this is going to do is actually bring you to where your mods are actually held at in your computer. You want to make sure you're on Task Force Arrowhead Radio. Open it up. Go to TeamSpeak. This is going to be the plugin add-on. This is what you need to install. So you're going to double click it. You're going to install. Hit yes. Yes, you'll need to restart TeamSpeak. Need to close this. Just going to reconnect real quick. Now we want to go back to options and add-ons. Now it should say Task Force Arrowhead Radio enabled. You also want to check over here on the right where it says plugin version 1.0.325. If you're on the old version of the Task Force Radio plugin, like if I click on York here, you're going to see 0.9.12, and that means you're still on the old version. Now, you don't have to uninstall the old version, but I really do recommend you do. But if you do not uninstall the old version, make sure the old version says disabled and the new version says enabled like it does here. All right, last step, and I almost forgot this. You want to go back to your mod list and you want to look for the current version of Task Force Radio. You want to uncheck that, not using that. Then you want to go look down for the beta version. Make sure that's checked and on your current mod list for our server. And if you haven't already, I would save it. So you don't have to fuck with it all the time. But anyways, that'll get you set up. If you have any questions, just hit our tech support page in Discord. Thanks. Alright, so final thing we're going to test here is just some of the features with the new TFAR Beta. You notice in the DUI radar, you can see when I'm talking. Mutt, if you can go ahead and talk, you should see him talk as well.
Hello.
The other thing with the radios is they do have actions that you can get to from the Ace Interact, so you can put them in your left and right ear or put them in speaker. You also have the lower headset feature. So Mutt, if you can talk on the radio real quick.
10-5 check.
How it sounds normally. Then do it again.
Hello.
And you can't hear the radio hardly because it's lowered. Last thing we're going to show y'all is the new short-range radio should work underwater.
Can I not? Okay, there we go. And you can hear me. And we're underwater. Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Check again.
Yep. Can you hear me?
Oh yeah, even like louder than outside the water. Weird.
Stand by. I'm gonna see something real quick. Can you hear me now?
Yep.
Okay, so they work above and below the water.
Yes, they do.
Yeah, so if you interact, not self-interact, but regular interact with the vehicle, you'll see 101st Bantha APC and then intercom channel. You will default to whatever your current position is. We're currently in the cargo, or standby.
I'm in a crew slot.
No, I'm actually have my thing. Yeah, so you can go through all these different channels. You're in the crew slot, you said?
Uh-huh.
So I just logged into the crew slot by releasing my interact key, and now you can hear me a lot louder, which is useful for tanks because, loud. Also, if I move to another intercom channel, it should have me locally muted, so I'm going to move to cargo channel now. And you shouldn't be able to hear me at all. Is that
no.
true?
I can still
Okay, so
hear
you
you,
can hear
but
me
it's
on
like
direct,
it's
but you
local.
can't.
Local.
Yeah, it's local. Okay, so still be on whisper, but at least you can talk really easily over the intercom channel and not using short range.
And then cargo would be everybody in the back.
Yeah, so every vehicle is different. I think crew is just generally like your pilot, your driver, your gunner, commander, yada yada. Crew is everyone in the passengers, and then MISC channel 1 through 3 is just miscellaneous. I don't think you'll get assigned into those. And then disabled is direct chat.
Awesome, thanks.